welcome to Suzanna's How To. Today I will show you how to make ants on a log. Now I'll tell you what we need. We need celery, peanut butter, and some raisins, and a knife. Now I will tell you how to do it. We first take the leaves off and cut it about like this big. And I will tell you something I can do. Boom! Open the peanut butter and take our knife and just take a little bit and put it on the celery. And then we'll put some raisin on it. And this is what we made. And another one. And then put some raisin on it. Let's see how good it tastes. When I just taste this, it was yucky for me. Let's take it. Oh. Good. Thank you for watching Suzanna's How To. Hope you like it. Please do like me and hit a thumbs up.